Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always sticking with me. In today's video, we're going to be making this twisted knot hairband. It's a trending hairband that most persons are using presently on social media. The popular influencers, they are using this hairband. I actually bought this ones, but I'll be showing you how to make it in this video so you don't have to spend money to buy it. This headband takes just 2 simple steps to make. It's nothing difficult. And if you don't have your sewing machine, you can simply just get a thread and needle, and this will be done quickly. So first, you want to get a stretchy fabric. Mind you, a stretchy fabric. Then you want to take your head measurement. Normal head measurement is 22 to 23, depending on the person's head size or otherwise. But for a female, your head measurement should be about 22 inches. So you are going to cut your exact head measurement, which is 22 inches for the length and 8 inches for the width. You can make this wider based on preference. So you want to fold it into 2 like this, and then take it to your sewing machine and run a straight stitch on it. So you probably can pin it like this so it stays in place before taking it to your sewing machine to sew. So run a straight stitch on it. Once you're done, you should have something looking like this. Next, you're going to turn it inside out, and you want to have this part in the middle, the stitched part in the middle, just like the one I bought. The stitched part should be in the middle. So get your pressing iron and then give it a very good pressing, just like this. Now you're going to flip it to the front, fold it together just like that. Now you're not going to make it exact, you're going to move it half in half, just like this. This other part on the right hand side goes to the back, then the one on the left hand side crosses on top, just like so. If you didn't understand that, you can watch again. Now take to your sewing machine and then stitch it. Once you're done stitching, you should have something looking like this. Look at it. This is the one I bought. It looks the same. So you can just trim out the excess. Once you're done trimming out, you can cut out the edges so it doesn't poke you. And then if you have a weaving machine, you can go ahead to weave it so it doesn't fray, just in case you use a material that frays so it doesn't pull out. And basically that is it. You're done with this, and you have the trending twist crossed hairband. You don't have to spend money to buy it at all. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if you watched to this very point, do want to subscribe to this channel. Guys, like this video, leave an amazing comment, and I'll be bringing you more tutorials just like this. See you in the next one. Bye.